Hello everyone. In our 2-minute revision lesson, today, we shall be discussing the topic, aims and hypotheses from research methods. In psychological research, an aim is a general statement about what the researcher intends to investigate. It outlines the purpose of the study in broad terms. For example, an aim might be to investigate the effect of sleep deprivation on memory performance. A hypothesis, on the other hand, is a clear, testable prediction about what the researcher expects to find. It is more specific than the aim and guides the actual investigation. There are different types of hypotheses you need to know. First, the experimental or alternative hypothesis. This predicts that there will be a difference or an effect. It's used in experiments where an independent variable IV is manipulated to observe its effect on the dependent variable dV. For example, participants who sleep for 4 hours will score lower on a memory test than those who sleep for 8 hours, if the hypothesis specifically states the direction of the difference, like whether one condition will be greater or less than another. It is called a directional hypothesis. If it just predicts a difference, but not the direction, it is a non-directional hypothesis. The opposite of this is the null hypothesis. This predicts that there will be no difference or no effect, and any results are due to chance. For example, there will be no difference in memory scores between participants who sleep for 4 hours and those who sleep for 8 hours. A well-written hypothesis must be operationalist, which means the variables must be clearly defined and measurable. So instead of just saying memory performance, you might operationalize it as the number of words correctly recalled from a list of 20. To summarize, the aim tells us what the researcher wants to find out. The hypothesis makes a specific prediction. The null hypothesis says there will be no effect, and an operationalist hypothesis clearly defines the variables being tested. Dear students, remember the resource is always here for a quick, easy revision whenever you need a boost. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.